must be to the building of your church by bringing souls in this agenda 12.
It's a great place to be. Oh, come on. Let's do it better. Let's do it better.
Oh, you make my life feel bright. You're amazing.
Thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity. Myself and my wife, we feel honored and humbled for acknowledging us.
One thing we don't know is that faith works with time. So you don't manipulate God with time. You obey the time of faith.
Until obedience is submitted to faith, faith will never show you her face.
The recipient of every fulfillment of faith does not give the greatest gratitude to the supplier, but the provider.